Okay, now let's look at problem number 12 in section 8.4, page 496. This is your variation problem. Here we talk about the height of a pyramid of a constant value is inversely proportional to the area of its base. So here we have the height. We also have the volume, which is here. Here's inversely where we'll put the equal, and then it says proportional to the area of its base. So therefore we have the base, which is here. So our formula is a little different than it was before. What we're going to have is h times v, which is equal to our constant k times b, which is the base. Now if you take a look at the problem, the first thing we want to do, as we've done in the other problems, is we're going to first solve for k. That's always step number 1. They gave you that the volume is equal to 300 meters, cubic meters actually, and then they gave you the base, and they said the base was equal to 90 meters squared. They gave you the height, and they said that's equal to 10 meters. So now we can go and solve for k. So what we have is we have then the height times the volume, which happens to be this, is equal to k, and I notice it said inversely, so we should be dividing it through by b, not multiplying it. So we're going to divide that through by b, which happens to be 90. Now when we multiply this out here, what we're going to end up with is 3,000, which is equal to k over 90. Now let's go and solve for k by multiplying both sides by 90. The 90s cancel out, leaving us now with 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so I guess it's, there we go. Now let's go on and do step number 2. Same formula, h times v is equal to k over b, but what we want to do now is that we'll go back and look at the information that they gave us for the second part. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go and have 300 for the height. We're looking for the volume. We know now what the k is all over the base, which happens to be 100. I can cancel out some zeros. 1, 2, 1, 2. So now that's going to leave us this. Okay, now what we're looking for is we're looking for v. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide by 300, and that cancels out, leaving us our v, which is equal to 27 over 3, or 9. So therefore our answer is going to be 9 meters. Little different problem than the ones that we've had previous.